You should try this glowing body scrub recipe. You only need sugar, olive oil, turmeric and fresh lemon juice. The turmeric will revive the skin, bringing back its natural glow. The olive oil will hydrate it. The sugar will remove dead skin cells and the lemon juice will reduce premature aging.
Hi there, so today is yet another segment. I'm going to show you how to make a nice body scrub using egg yolk. Last time I showed you how to make a nice face mask, but this is body scrub, which is absolutely heaven on earth. Let's do it. So put your egg yolk in your mixing bowl and never throw away the egg white. You can use this to make nice facial mask. You will start with your coconut oil. It's hot like this. Always melt that baby down. I already melted mine. My secret weapon in this is this turmeric. Add in enough amount. Take your normal yogurt, 1.5 small tablespoons. To complete this mix, use your sugar. I like using brown sugar mixed with white sugar just for the consistency, but you can use any kind of sugar you have. So you will also add in plenty amount in there depending on how much you want. For me, I will store this in my fridge. And you will mix this all together. This is amazing and smells absolutely glorious. Now, once you mix that well, you will get a thick consistency. Now, let me show you how this works. Now, I want you to look at the magic that just happens instantly. Look at that moisturizer. And the best thing about this scrub, you can use this on your face. So I use this all over my body. I let my hubby scrub my back to get that uniform moisturizing and just soft, glowy look. Look at the skin. Look, instant glow. I mean, instant glow. And it smells amazing. Ha! So choose and please try this and you're welcome.